Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. My favorite. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. It's not a secret, I've said it before, that I have a 3 favorite luxury bags brands. It's a British Mulberry, Spanish Loewe, and Italian Bottega Veneta. I 100% trust those brands and I appreciate them for their unique bag design, craftsmanship, and amazing quality. Today I'm going to talk about Bottega Veneta Jodie, famous Jodie bag in a teen size. I've made a video before, a comparison video between Bottega Veneta Mini Pouch 20 and Mini Jodie. And I mentioned in that video that I'm not a massive fan of the Mini Jodie. I know it's an absolutely cult bag, iconic bag now, and I love how it looks on the photographs and how the influencers are rocking this bag. However, I tried that bag, didn't work out for me, didn't like it much more prefer my Mini Pouch 20 from Bottega Veneta. But I love the idea, the design, the unique design of Jodie bag, and that's why the thought about the bigger size didn't leave my mind for a really long while. And that's why today I'm going to review, as always, very detailed, in-depth review of the Jodie bag in a teen size, and I'm going to show you how I would wear that in the mod shots. And as always, I'm going to leave all the link below of the bags I'm going to talk about today, and also the outfit I'm wearing, so if you would like to check out it closely. Bottega Veneta Jodie bag comes in quite a few sizes. We all know about very popular Mini Jodie. Then we have a relatively new size, which called teen size. Then the next one is a small, and it's actually not a much bigger than the teen size. And when I'm thinking about purchasing the Jodie bag for myself, I'm thinking about those two sizes, and that's one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video today. Then we have the medium size, and then the next one is absolutely massive Jodie, which you can wear cross body. Absolutely humongous. I love the way it looks on the pictures and some influencers, but I don't think I will ever purchase that for myself. But never say never. You know me, I mentioned quite a few times that, oh, I'm not a massive shoulder bag lady. And then one of you very fairly noticed that I'm actually, over the past few videos, going towards the shoulder bag. Yes, maybe I am turning from the mini bag lady into the shoulder bag lady, if I'm seriously considering purchasing even that one. What we've got here with the Bottega Veneta Jodie bag in the teen size. First of all, I would like to mention the unique design which came from ex-creative director of the fashion house, Daniel Lee. It's a one massive continuous piece of signature Bottega Veneta intrecciato leather weaving. And it all comes together on the top handle in a one massive knot. Not much going on here. The bag looks complex, but at the same time very simple and minimalistic. We can't see much branding here, but it's all in these details. We all know the intrecciato weaving, and we know as soon as we see that, that's Bottega Veneta. We also know that Bottega Veneta has a triangle as their unique signature design branding, and we have that triangle on the zip over here. The main thing that I didn't like about the smaller size, the Mini Jodie, that it wasn't enough space, in my opinion, between the top handle and the actually closing opening bit. And to me, it was a very awkward to get into the bag, and it was just not enough space for myself. With this one, with a top handle drop around 10 centimeters, you can easily, around 4 inches, you can easily go in there without compromising your comfort and convenience. Zip itself is very practical and very convenient. In my case, it's a silver hardware, and Yet you can't open the bag with just a one hand because you can't wear that crossbody. However, it's very easy, not as stiff at all, and actually kind of enjoying it opening and closing. Yep, very good quality zip. If we look inside the bag, again, nothing going on there. It's a one big haul, which I always prefer because it does not compromise the overall capacity. And by the size of this bag, and it's a pretty good medium size of the bag, you can think that the capacity will be, wow, very good capacity. And bag doesn't disappoint you in this regard. It can take a lot. Book, full-size bottle of water, a medium-size continental wallet, e-book, all your creams, cosmetic bags, the pouches, you name it, you can all stack it in there, and I absolutely love it. This Bottega Veneta Teen Jodie bag for this. Amazing capacity, even for the medium-size bag. And the other thing which comes with a capacity, it's a weight of the bag. For the medium-sized bag, Jodie in the teen size only weighs 535 grams, which I believe is really, really good for the medium-sized bag. It's not the lightest on the market, but I would say it's around the top 5, top 7, the lightest bag on the market for the medium size. And therefore, when you are going to carry pretty much your whole house in this bag, you wouldn't compromise the overall bag weight. Going back to the interior of the bag, as I said, it's a one big haul inside. There is no compartments, no dividers, no internal pockets, even tiny card holder slots, nothing like that. It's a leather interior, which I really like because it's really easy to look after in the sense of any spillage, any dirt, easy wipe, perfect. I love that for this. I'm struggling with a suede leather interior sometimes when it gets dirty really quickly, and it's also matching color of the bag. In this case, it's a black leather interior. Some people say because it doesn't have any dividers, you can actually lose your stuff in there because the bag is so big inside and the capacity is so good. Me personally, because I'm more used to my mini bags, I don't tend to carry a lot with me. That's why it's really easy for me to find, like, you know, my wallet or a card holder or house keys. Some people recommend to carry lighter, brighter color SLGs, pouches, wallets, key holders in order to find that easily inside the bag. But it's only the problem when we're talking about the darker color. There is also around 10 colors for the Jodie Erin teen size. So you can choose not just, you know, the darker color, but it's quite a lot of choice of the lighter color as well. I've learned my lesson with lamb leather of the Bottega Veneta with my padded cassette, which I have in the caramel color. I've learned that lesson hard way in regards to the color transfer and wear and tear. I explained that in full in my wear and tear video for my Bottega Veneta padded cassette video. If you want to check this out, I'm going to leave the link below. That's why for my teen Jodie, I will go for the darker color. I'm not necessarily going to be the black color. They also comes in beautiful brown chocolate fondant color. And I'm eyeing actually for the space color. It's something in between the navy and the teal. I would describe it as a navy teal color. Absolutely beautiful. And Bottega Veneta call it a space color. And now it's time to talk about Bottega Veneta signature lamb leather, which they use for the intrecciato weaving, and also their newest offer. Bottega Veneta is very proud of the quality of their lamb leather. It's soft, it's so tactile, it's beautiful. You know I'm crazy about all those things, and that's why when I'm holding Bottega Veneta Jodie bag in my hands, I'm in heaven. Yeah, it's different softness from the Bottega Veneta padded cassette and their lamb leather, but it's still so tactile, so nice. And yeah, I just wanna leave it out of my hands. You know, it's beautiful, it's amazing. But stop about that, let's talk about the newest offer from the Bottega Veneta fashion house, which was announced maybe like 4 or 5 weeks ago, and that's the lifetime warranty for all their bags. And according to the CEO of Bottega Veneta fashion house, this life warranty, it's not like a life warranty for the next 20 years, read small letters at the bottom of the terms and conditions. No, it's an unlimited refresh and repair of all your bags. I love this idea, and I love when the Bottega Veneta comes up with that idea as an additional value to their bags in the situation when all other fashion houses increasing their prices pretty much every quarter. And it means that they are standing by their product and they believe in the quality and craftsmanship of their bags. And also they support sustainable fashion, which I'm a massive advocate of, because instead of buying 5, 10 fast fashion bags, you will buy a more expensive Bottega Veneta bag, which will last you literally for centuries. If we're talking about durability of a Bottega Veneta Jodie bag, I believe that the aging, time, wear and tear adds additional softness to this bag. Obviously, the fact that the bag is slouchy and it doesn't have any structure helps very much, and the fact that the bag is quite lightweight, it's not collapsing, but again, it doesn't have a strict structure, so we would expect that to be like all slouchy and basically like a shaperless type of thing. Because of the tiny little details of this intricate weaving, we're not able to see any scratches on the bag, and you can easily handle the sharp object around this bag, which I like, a really good sign. It's like a camouflaging inside of those tiny little pieces. Also, yesterday I wore that bag, accidentally, I didn't plan it, in an absolutely shower rain. No problem to that bag at all. It did survive that absolutely horrendous rain perfectly. However, I totally understand that the Bottega Veneta Jodie bag in a teen size, not the bag for everyone. So first of all, because of the price point. At the moment, Bottega Veneta in a teen size is around £2,570. The bigger size, the small Bottega, is not a big difference price-wise. It's around £2,750. The next point is that it's not the most versatile bag. Some people say that they can't use that going to work because of this slouchy and kind of like a non-professional way, so you don't take that into the office. Some people say that they can't take it to the dinner because it's too big and they can't find the space at the tiny little restaurant table for the medium-sized bag. You also can wear this bag crossbody, and it's a quite limited way how you can wear that. I'm only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. That's why I can wear that on my shoulder, and I actually love it again because I don't put much into this bag. I have only quite a few pieces in there, and that's it. So I can easily wear that without bulking up, without doing all of that on my shoulder, and I love it. But I totally understand, but the taller people are not able to wear that on the shoulder due to the only 10 centimeters, around 4 inches handle drop. In this case, the smaller size is much better because it has a bigger handle drop, and you can easily wear that. No matter how tall you are, you can easily wear that on your shoulder. The other thing, I'm not able to wear that even with my small height. I'm not able to wear that on my shoulder with a bulky outerwear, for example, with my puffer jackets. That's leaving us with only a couple of ways to wear that. It's in your hands or on the crook of your arm. And on the crook of your arm, it goes really well, even with the outwear and the bulky jackets. But I'm going to show you all of that in the mod shots as well. As already mentioned, Bottega Veneta Teen Jodie is not the most versatile, the most practical, the most convenient bag. There's not many ways to wear that, unfortunately, due to that unique design. However, I still want to show you how I would wear this bag in those mod shots. I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. As already mentioned, I can wear this bag on my shoulder. I find, because of my small height, I find it's quite comfortable, and I love the idea of this thick top handle that allows it to sit on my shoulder pretty comfortably. But as I've heard many people who are much taller than me, they can't wear that. It's too inconvenient for them. And with my bulky outerwear, especially in the autumn winter time, I cannot wear that on my shoulder. Which leaves us with two other ways: in your hands or on the crook of your arm. At the end, I just want to say, guys, that I absolutely love Bottega Veneta Jodie Bag in teen size. You know that I'm not a massive fan of the same bag in the mini size, but all negative points are rectified in the larger size for me personally. I love the aesthetic of this bag. I love the shape and how slouchy and lightweight it is. I love that it's a one continuous piece of signature Bottega Veneta intrecciato leather. I love the idea, recently introduced, of the certificate of craft, they call it, which gives you the lifetime warranty for any Bottega Veneta bags products. Overall, that's my dream piece, and yes, it's a very high on my wish list of the bags. I just need to decide on the color and decide 100% which one I prefer, teen or the small size. At the moment, I'm more leaning towards the teen size, and just because it's slightly cheaper, but I need to decide for sure which one I go. But I can tell you for sure that it's a number 2 on my wish list after the Dior saddlebag, 100%. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!